Hey friends, welcome back here. It's Simon Kine. For those of you that are new here, we speak the African way of things that actually do matter. And today, like never before, we're actually delving into a topic that is more relevant than ever before, especially in our hyper-connected world that we are living in right now. Today, we are talking about digital minimalism and focus. First off, what exactly is digital minimalism? Well, digital minimalism, to be precise, is simply about being intentional on how we are using technology as young people, rather than letting it control us. It's literally about decluttering our digital environment and using technology in ways that actually enhance our lives. You get what I mean? There is something called digital clutter. Just like you see there is an office clutter, there is also a digital clutter. Take a look at your apps, take a look at your emails, take a look at your social media, take a look at the platforms you subscribe to, take a look at the email list you're subscribed to. Are they adding value to your life? If not, unsubscribe from unnecessary email list, unsubscribe, declutter, try to declutter your home screen, unfollow certain accounts that are not contributing positively onto your life. If I'm among those people that actually are not contributing positively, it's absurd, but you need to unfollow, you need to unsubscribe, you get what I mean? But if I truly bring value to your table, which I think I do pretty well, then help me share this video with your friends so that they also know about the digital minimalism and how we can actually focus as young people. After we have assessed our digital clutters, now we need to set boundaries. Boundaries are very much essential, especially in the times that we are living in this digital era that we are actually living in. Set specific times that you check your emails, set specific times that you actually go to social media. I'll give you a typical example. When I'm at work at the airport, I try as much as I can. I'm actually trying to incorporate this into my life now because a couple of months ago I was literally sliding down the hole of getting defocused because of social media, the availability of internet at the airport, and the access to as much information as possible. You'll be looking at this and then a notification pops up, you get this also. By the time you realize that you spent an hour, you've just wasted all that 1 hour in just checking different things that are not even adding to you positively. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm starting to set boundaries. For example, if I'm to check my WhatsApp and see the messages that are pending, morning messages, I check them when I go for breakfast. As I'm eating, I'm also checking those messages. As I'm eating lunch, as I'm having breakfast, those specific breaks, I'm literally also checking what is happening on my Instagram, what is happening on my photography page. You get what I mean? Something like that. But we need to consider implementing digital detox period, where we disconnect from screens entirely. And I believe this is going to give us more time to actually focus on our goals, more time to focus on building us. You get what I mean? Batching is also another technique, and in batching we actually group similar tasks together. You get what I mean? And in this way we reduce switching context and also we boost the productivity. So it's very much important to also incorporate this, deep working and batching. By the way, we also use batching here at YouTube. Like as well, I can decide to say now I'm going to create content for a full month. That is what they call batch production. So I get one day, I shoot from morning up to night, and I know I've shot content for a whole day. So without any distractions, my phone is literally, the phone data is off. I'm literally focusing. It's actually in silent. I'm literally focusing on shooting videos that are going to last me a full month because of the busy schedule that I may be having at my workplace. So it's important as young people that we incorporate batching and deep working. We need to focus on mindful consumption and also curating content. Not everything that is on the internet is for us to watch. But the best example I can give to us is TikTok. I'm sorry to talk about it here. It's not sponsored. No one is paying me to talk about it. But on TikTok, you literally find everything. You scroll and then you find maybe if you're into technology, you find something tech. Then you scroll, you'll be surprised you find some comedy. You scroll, you'll be surprised you find some maybe sad dance video. You scroll. So not everything that is there is for us to watch. It's that simple. Let us not forget to unplug regularly. By unplugging, I mean try to engage in offline activities. Do not stay in your room from morning to evening, just on TikTok, just on Facebook, just on Instagram. No. Get some time off social media. Get some time off your phone entirely and engage in activities like playing basketball, like playing chessboards, like actually socializing with people, like visiting friends. You get what I mean? There's something called JOMO. JOMO is the joy of missing out. And I believe most of us are well conversant with FOMO, the fear of missing out. But today I want to introduce to us JOMO, the joy of missing out. We need to discover the joy of JOMO. Are you with me? We need to embrace the joy that comes from disconnecting, from unplugging, from being present in the moment, and from not being bombarded with a lot of information. There's that joy, there's that JOMO, the joy of missing out. Not everything is for you. Then lastly, we need to focus on making real connections. Digital minimalism isn't about abandoning technology altogether. It's about using it mindfully to enhance our lives. And on that very note, I want to encourage us to redirect the time from digital decluttering to meaningful activities and real-world connections. Meet people, jazz people, like real people, like just like I'm jazzing you face to face. You get what I mean? Yeah. I can see your smiley faces. And in conclusion, by decluttering our digital lives, setting boundaries, and actually embracing mindfulness, we can regain control over our attention and enhance our productivity and well-being. So thank you for going up until this point. God bless you. My name is Simon, speaking the African way of things that actually do matter. Otherwise, I want us to always remember that the real world is waiting for us beyond our screens. Peace out.